Today we've got a really practical topic to share with you: how to charge your laptop if you don't have the regular charger for it. Stay until the end of the video to learn about all the charging methods. It's not your everyday solution, but you can use an HDMI cable to charge your laptop. Okay, let's start by getting the basics straight on how this whole charging with HDMI cable thing actually works. Some laptops have HDMI in ports that allow charging, but not all laptops have this feature. Charging through HDMI takes longer due to the slower power transfer and can run the risk of damaging the laptop if performed. Let's walk through the steps of charging your laptop with a simple HDMI cable. Step 1. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to your laptop's HDMI in port. Step 2. Plug the other end into the HDMI out port of a power device, like a TV or DVD player. Step 3. Check the power symbol on your laptop. If it's charging, you're good to go. For a safer alternative, if your laptop has a USB-C port, you can use a USB-C cable. I hope this video helped you, and if you enjoyed, please like the video and subscribe.